Hi everyone, welcome to Lasallian Voices. I am Sal Daniel de Guzman.
I'm Razvan Aloro.
And I'm Jacob Aguilar.
So, hi everyone and welcome to Lasallian Voices. So, today we're gonna dive into a topic na nag-affect sa maraming students but it isn't really talked about openly. It's mental health and academic pressure.
So, paano ba natin i-describe yung mental health situation tungkol sa students today? So, ayun nga. And how is this issue affecting us personally as Lasallians?
Siguro ako na muna. Feeling ko, ngayon medyo lumalala na yung issue sa mental health eh. Compared dati before pandemic. Kasi, hindi naman sa pero ever since like, nag-senior high ako, parang lately, ang dami ko na nababalitaan about sa mga mental health, ganito ganyan. Affecting Lasalians, pero feeling ko di ko pa masyado, wala pa ako masyadong sagot doon kasi fresh pa lang and parang first term, ganun.
Actually, ako rin. Parang sa dating generations kasi, parang, alam mo yon yung di masyadong, it isn't talked about much. Kaya, parang, ngayon, everyone's being more open to their feelings about their mental state. And as fresh din, hindi ko pa rin masyadong ramdam kasi nga, ilang months pa lang tayo. And kaka-start pa lang. Although I feel like meron din naman mga tao na parang they're experiencing anxiety kasi nga bagong environment and all. Alam niyo yun?
Tama. Actually,
Well, true.
actually nga, pareho lang sagot ko sa inyo. Syempre, lahat naman tayo fresh. Wala namang pinagkaiba sa atin. So, like, uh, hindi pa nga natin talaga ramdam yung pressure that comes with being a Lasallian. But of course, meron din mga times na it takes a toll on us. Syempre, lalo na tayong tatlo, uwian tayo, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically, going to campus and then going home isn't always that easy. So syempre, hindi lang yung academic things yung nagpapa-stress sa atin at times or nagpapa-worry sa atin at times. Pero syempre, the factors outside of it, it matters din. Tama, tama.
Oo.
Okay guys, thank you. Ngayon pag-usapan naman natin, sa tingin niyo ba yung pananampalataya, do you think it can help in managing stress or yung burnout natin at times?
Simulan ko na. Actually, sa akin, it really helps. Kasi coming from a Catholic school, like, aminin ko, hindi ko masyado sineseryoso yung parang pag-pray, ganito, ganyan, growing up. Kasi akala ko parang norm lang talaga siya na parang wala rin naman ako magigain doon. Pero ever since na nag-senior high ako, especially before college, parang sobrang stress kasi di ko na alam yung, especially sa pag, pagpili ng college na pag-enrollan. Parang nagtiwala lang kung ano plano ni Lord sa akin, ganun parang naging from wala akong pake, di ako nagdadasal, minsan ako magmas to every Sunday, lagi ako nasa mass. If may time ako or may free time ako, especially if sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam ko,
Mm.
magdadasal ako ng buong rosary. Then after that, parang sobrang gano ulit ng pakiramdam ko, then rest lang ako ng onte. Tapos parang slowly, parang medyo mas nagiging klaro sa akin yung mga kailangan kong tahakin or kailangan kong pag-decidean, ganun. It really helps.
Ikaw,
Para sa akin din, it really helps with dealing with the stress. Kasi ayun nga, kapag nakaka-overwhelm na yung sabay-sabay yung exam, sabay-sabay yung pasahan ng projects, parang gulong-gulo ka na. Tapos, ako rin, hindi ako actually ganun ka-religious dati. Hindi ako yung type of person na magmamasa ko every Sunday. Sobrang dalang ko mag-mass. Hindi talaga ako religious. Pero, in a way, nung nag-senior high din ako actually, parang I got closer to God. Kasi nga, marami akong napagdaanan nung senior high from not just because of ACADS but also outside life, and that gave parang that opened the door to me to become closer to God. Tapos parang kapag kinakausap ko si God, like I'm having faith na everything will get better, parang nakakagaan din sa pakiramdam because everything will actually get better. You just have to wait and trust the process talaga.
Pero yung gusto ko rin talaga malaman sa inyo, yung huli, pinakahuli,
Okay,
bago
go.
tayo
Yan.
magtapos. sa tingin nyo, as one whole Lasallian community, anong pwede natin gawin to promote yung mental wellness, to alleviate yung stress natin, tsaka yung academic pressure? Uh, Paano natin mapopromote yung isang Lasal na positive sa pagiging um, positive? Parang ganun sa mental wellness natin sa campus.
Go
Sino
kayo muna.
magsimula?
Nag-iisip pa ako eh.
Like, ano ulit yun?
Paano ma-promote as one Lasallian community? How can we promote? Like, what practical steps yung kaya nating tahakin to promote mental wellness on campus? I mean, I feel like we're doing a pretty good job naman eh. Like, compared to other universities, other colleges, I feel like LaSalle is like one of the best pagdating sa ganun. Pero syempre, there's always room for improvement, ika nga, di ba?
Actually, yes. I feel like LaSalle talaga, isa sa mga top schools na they do care for their students dahil nga, they really promote yung, they have, parang nag-advocate sila for mental health. And nakikita ko lagi, like, sa emails ko na parang they have, if you're feeling down, if you're facing problems, meron silang mga psychologists who can help you in different colleges. Meron silang designated psychologist. Ganun nakikita ko sa email ko. And that's really nice na they're promoting mental wellness talaga and they do care for their students' wellness. Lalo na yung pagkakaroon din natin ng mga breaks in between our terms and all. I think that's very nice.
Actually, yun rin yung isa sa reason ko kaya I chose Lasal. Yung parang sobrang student-centered nila na mas unahin nila yung well-being ng students nila kaysa sa kahit anong circumstance na ano. Parang yun yung top priority nila kahit anong mangyari.
Tapos hindi, I feel like they also, dahil nga ganun sila, they also help us balance yung life natin sa ACADS and life natin beyond ACADS, like our personal life. Kaya, kasi parang, di ba sa atin, parang gino-glorify na kapag marami kang ginagawa sa school, parang ang galing-galing mo, and like, matalino ka lang kapag ang dami mong ginagawa and all, wala kang natututunan kapag wala kang ginagawa sa school masyado. Pero I think it's nice na LaSalle actually cares for their students na parang they give yung workloads, though minsan nga marami yung ginagawa natin, there's still some space, there's still some time for us to focus on ourselves, to focus sa time natin outside ACADS pa rin. So, we could, like, parang, we could still care about our mental health, ganon.
Actually,
True.
tama. I agree naman with you guys. Actually, wala na akong madadagdag kasi feeling ko nga talaga, uh, sa lahat ng mga universities, I feel like LaSalle talaga yung pinaka pinaka-champion sa pagpopromote ng ganito. So, yun lang guys. I think wala na tayong kailangan pag-usapan. So, sa mga nakinig, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, ito yung Lasallian Voices podcast namin. I'm Jacob Aguilar and I'm with Sal de Guzman and Rizvan Aloro. And sana nag-enjoy kayo guys. And ayun lang. Thank you
Yes.
guys.
Thank you
Thank
guys.
you!